Welcome to Baluji English, your friendly guide to fun and easy English learning. Like, share, and subscribe to Baluji English for more simple and smart English lessons.
Usages of is in English. 1. As a helping verb, auxiliary verb, in present continuous tense. Used to form present continuous tense for singular subjects, he, she, it, or singular noun. Structure. Subject plus is plus verb plus ing. Example. She is reading a book. The baby is sleeping. 2. As a linking verb, to be verb. Connects the subject with a noun or adjective that describes it. Structure. Subject plus is plus noun slash adjective. Example. He is a doctor. The sky is blue. 3. In passive voice, simple present. Used in passive voice to show that the subject receives the action. Structure. Subject plus is plus past participle, V3. Example. The work is done. The room is cleaned. 4. In interrogative sentences, questions. Used to ask questions with singular subjects. Structure. Is plus subject plus, complement. Example. Is he at home? Is it raining? 5. In negative sentences. Used with not to form negatives for present simple or continuous. Structure. Subject plus is not, isn't, plus complement slash verb plus ing. Example. He is not angry. She is not coming. 6. In emphatic statements. Used to emphasize something in the present. Example. It is he who called. This is the best day. 7. In conditional sentences, type 0 or type 1. Used when stating general truths or possible conditions. Example. If the water is cold, don't drink it. If he is late, we'll start without him. 8. In exclamatory sentences. Used with how or what for strong feelings. Example. How beautiful she is. What a mess this is.